ESPN and the CW have announced that their new live sports partnership that'll bring CW Sports' eclectic collection of wrestling, racing, and college athletics to ESPN subscribers. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. From August 4th, CW Sports live streaming will be a specific benefit of ESPN's Unlimited plan, one of two tiers offered through the sports network's relaunched subscription service. CW Sports programming will be presented as live streams in ESPN's mobile and TV apps and on the ESPN website. While CW Sports offers more niche programming like pro bowling and bull riding, both companies are letting the network access the WWE Next and the final two races of the NASCAR O'Reilly Auto Parts Series as the immediate draws of subscribing at launch. According to the announcement, ESPN Unlimited subscribers will also be able to watch 140 hours of college football across the ACC, Pac-12, and Mountain West conferences starting August 29th, as CW Sports has inked new agreements with the Pac-12 and Mountain West conferences that mean the network will also stream additional football and men's and women's basketball games every year through the 2030 to 2031 season. Even with those deals, the competitive nature of licensing means CW Sports can stream every in-demand college game. For anyone who's already paying for a dedicated sports streaming service, ESPN and the CW's deal could sweeten what's an already expensive $30 per month subscription. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.